Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. In today's episode, I will be making mango strawberry salad. I got this recipe from Caribbean Pot. So for the ingredients, we will need mango, strawberry. We will also need red onions, lemon juice, chili pepper, coriander, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients. First, add in the mangoes, then the strawberries, coriander, red onions, chili pepper, and then the salt, the pepper, and the chili flakes. Squeeze half of the lemon juice. Combine all the ingredients and then it's ready to serve. Here is our finished product, mango strawberry salad. Shout out to Jessica Cabanet, Mel and Rose channel, Sonny D PH, Glenna Main Ibanez, Ruperto Jordan, Palio Bangkit, Marley TV, Luke Van Tien TV, Carmelita Rubas, and Ayla Manu 31. I will be doing shout outs at the end of my videos. Thank you for watching.